In front of me is Cubot Note 50, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening Settings and choosing Connected Devices right away. Then click on Connection Preferences, select Printing, and tap on Default Print Service or install any service you want and use it the same way. Also, when I click on it and make sure that this switcher is blue, my device is starting to look for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!